Hey children, let's start with an activity of letter H, capital H and small letter H. जैसे आप और मम्मा सेम बात करते हो ना, आप बेबी हो और मम्मा भी, आपकी आवाज़ सेम होती है ना, वैसे ही लेटर्स में क्या होता है, कैपिटल H एंड स्मॉल लेटर H दोनों का साउंड जो है वो सेम होता है. और इनका साउंड कौन सा है, इनका फोनेटिक साउंड क्या है, ओके. नाउ what you need to do in this activity, you will find these type of boxes in your English workbook. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है, you have to recognize capital letter H and small letter H and you will color those boxes. Like here you can see capital letter H, so color this box. Again see, here is capital letter H and color this box. Here again you will color this box. Okay, now see, in this box you can see small letter H. इसी तरह से आपको recognize करते जाना है and you have to color the boxes. See children, इस तरह से सब बच्चे क्या करेंगे, you will color the boxes wherever you will see capital letter H or small letter H. Okay, now come to the next activity. Here you will circle the pictures that begins with letter H and sound. See, what is this, this is hen, its beginning sound is so we will circle this picture. Now see, this is chick, its beginning sound is ch, so we will not color this, not circle this picture. What is this, this is hammer and its beginning sound is h, h. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसको, we will circle. This is, what is this, this is clock, so its beginning sound is k, k. We will not circle this picture. See, what is this, this is hat and its beginning sound is h, h. What we will do, we will circle this picture. Now see, this is bird. What is this, bird and its beginning sound is b. We will not circle this picture. See, this is hippo, its beginning sound is so we will circle this picture. Okay. Hey children, let's start with one more activity. Here in this activity, what will you do? आपको क्या करना है, you will match the letters with pictures. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ pictures दिए हुए हैं ना, ठीक है, and here some letters are there, ठीक है. You have to read and recognize the letter first, then recognize the picture that begins with that particular letter and match. Okay, see which letter is this, letter C, capital C and small letter C, and what is its sound, k, k. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे देखेंगे पिक्चर, see, cake, cake, so we will match letters with the picture. Okay, now see which letter is this, letter E, capital letter E and small letter E, and sound of letter E is F, F. So find out the picture, find out the C, elephant. We will match this letter with this picture. See which letter is this, letter G, capital letter G and small letter G, and its sound is G, G. Here are grapes, so we will match the letter with picture, G, grapes. Now identify this letter, letter B, capital B, small letter B, and its sound is B, B. So here we will find out the picture that begins with letter B and sound B. This is X and this is ball. its beginning sound is B. So we will match this letter with this picture. Now see letter A. And what is its sounds? It has two sounds. One is long sound and another one is short sound. So long sound क्या होता है इसका? अपना A. And short sound is A. A. So see which picture is this? X. X. So we will match this letter with picture X. Children, this way you all will do this activity and send your videos. Thank you. Hey children, let's learn how to write capital letter H and small letter h. Okay, so first of all we will see small letter h is sky letter. Why this is sky letter? Because we write this letter in upper 3 lines and this is uppercase letter. Okay, now let's start. As you have learned already that all the capital letters are uppercase letter. So when we write capital letter H, we will start from the red line and we will bring this line to third blue line. Okay. Sleeping line and standing line. Small letter H will also be started from red line. Starting from the top, straight come down, go up, move and come down again. Okay. This way you will write small letter H. Again, for writing capital letter H, आप लोगों को क्या याद रखना है? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Okay. But for writing small letter H, आपको याद क्या रखना है? Standing line, go up, move, again come down. Okay? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Starting from the top, straight come down, go up, move and come down. Again, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Starting from the top, straight come down, go up, move and come down. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Starting from the top, straight come down, go up, move and come down. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Now for small letter again, starting from the top, straight come down, go up, move and come down. So children, this way you all will do writing practice of capital letter H and small letter h. Till then, bye bye.